We're here on day 2 to cap. We're right off the trailhead for Jake and getting ready to hit Jake. I guess we're gonna finish airing down and we'll hit Jake and see how wet it is. Right now it's very foggy up here.
It's just moisting.
Moisting? How many Jeeps we got?
Can you take these off?
Looks like we got 11 in our group today.
11.
Section of Jake. It is a little wet, a little soupy. Keeps doing okay though. That looked good. And then hard passenger. Yep. Alright, pulling winch. I'm curious about the Gladiator though.
Yeah, I really want to see this.
I'm really excited to watch him go. It's doing something.
You're gonna pop off of that control arm mount and it's gonna go no problem. Just keep winching.
Tree seems to be doing okay.
Hang on a sec. It's hooked on your control arm mount.
I wonder, yeah, if you can push on it.
Push on it. I bet you it just pop up.
Give it enough movement. If you can wiggle it back and forth. All right, start pulling on it. There we go. Teamwork.
Okay, now you got a big rock that's right dead center in the front. So you're gonna have to come this way if you can. So just kind of come forward, suck your winch in.
Start going driver.
Yep,
As hard as you can.
Driver.
As hard as you can.
Pull your winch in. Hold on. Pull your winch in.
It's jammed up on a rock under there.
Suck some tension up on it. There you go. Right at it. So I can stay over that side of the tree, but just wrap around? Yeah. You can kind of come up on this and just kind of hook tight to the tree and run that line maybe. You got the length to do it and you got the clearance. Yeah. Keep coming, driver. There you go. Now passenger.
Whoa.
Hard. There you go, right there.
Yeah.
Damn.
Straighten it out. There you go.
Woo! Damn.
Seriously. Yeah, being that you have the clearance and the length, that was the perfect line.
I never would have thought of trying that.
Right where you guys are at.
Oh, is he going up this way?
Okay. You want to try to get your driver on that rock?
There you go.
There you go.
Back it up, back it up. You're on your tire rod. Back up. So get that tire, your driver tire right where my foot is, okay? It's gonna get wonky, but it'll be alright. Come on up. Stay straight. Right there. That's it, man. Crawl it up. Go a little passenger. Yeah, you're good. Go for it. Yes, nailed it. Nailed it. Alright. Now you're gonna, yeah, Trent, you take him up there. Not too much, otherwise his back will slide over here. Passenger. Passenger. Up against that 41 over here. Just get him around it. Straight up in. Right there, straight up in if you can. Yeah, no. Rocks fell.
All right, my turn.
Not a very good spotter. Do you want me to look stand anywhere though and look for stuff?
If you could just film.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
Film it? Absolutely.
Okay, go with that line. Go up and over. Keep going. Okay, right there. Roll through it. Get a little bit of speed so you bump over it and don't dig it out.
Woo! Oh yeah.
Oh! I like Lee's idea of fucking sending it.
Yeah, there you go. You might get over it. You probably will dip out though. Oh yeah.
Woo!
Without that locker being full time, as soon as it hits one side or the other, it just shoves power back and forth. I need to, I'll just power it out. That's usually how I get.
Dude, you put front.
All right, first waterfall down, and we'll try the second one. It was a little bit harder last year, but I think since so many of us made it up the first one, we're gonna try the second one.
can afford it.
Hold it. Take it this way. Try to climb up this rock again. How we doing, puppers? How we doing, puppers? I'm good. I'm good. It's fine. Everything's fine.
Okay. You got me this year. You got me.
What got you?
This obstacle. I got it. This is the way I did it last year, but I didn't slide off the rocks.
Oh, puppy's loving it. I don't know about that. Maybe.
Maybe. He's used to it.
Yeah, you should be able to just come straight up in.
Just keep winching it.
All right, that's Jake's done. We're about to go down into Got Milk. The group. Whoa, focus. There we go. And we're behind the Gladiator on portals. This trail is just tight, and there's trees on both sides.
Looking out the window like a Jeep, bro. Driver. So I figured if you just hit it about 20 miles an hour, you won't even hit any of this.
Just kind of skate right over it. The faster you go, the less you feel.
That upper section is the only thing. It just got rearranged a little bit. I think it'll be good. I think so. Passenger. There you go. There you go. Driver. Driver hard. There you go. Straight through right there. See? Yeah, you got good turn. Never have?
Nice.
Great. Yeah, I think Flex is out nice.
Oh, this thing's a beast. Like it's nothing. Jeez.
Gravy.
professional driver at work here. Oh, it's my toe.
Oh?
It's my toe. Finn. Nice. Woo. Can I get your signature after this?
Maybe $5.
Nice.
obstacle that we just went down. We're just kind of swinging around, and we're gonna go up it and then back around to the trailhead and out of here for the day, I believe, unless we're gonna try Fruity Pebbles, but it's already almost 4. Alright, and that is a wrap on the day. Getting aired up. We'll head out. Alright, that's a wrap on day 2 of Jeep Camp. We're back at camp, loading the LJ, and then we're gonna head downtown and enjoy Deadwood tonight. So thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you tomorrow for Jeep Camp Day 3. Bye!
Hit it like we can afford it.